now the 17th of January. It's about 8:05 in the morning. It's been a really, really noisy night. I've been awake most of the night listening to howling wind and what I thought was rain. And unbelievably, it's been snowing. Since we took over this house in April, we've had scorching summer weather. Fires in September over there, which you can't see, in the mountains. We then had very, very heavy rain and floods. And now snow.
You want to video it, darling? Go outside and video it.
It's the 21st of January and Adam's suggesting I go outside. My tiling project, Adam's got the door open in hope that I'm going to go out there. I'm trying to fight back the tide in the pool. If I go out, you won't be able to hear because the wind will be blowing, but here goes. Dreadful Spanish weather.
Come to Spain, they say!
Why are you not in your speedos jumping in the pool?
I hope you're having a nice day. It's a bit blowy here now the snow's gone. I'm just going outside to show you, okay? It's actually got a bit quieter than it was before. I don't know if you can see that. We can actually surf in the pool!
It's Sunday the 22nd of January and that log burner is our only form of heat in the house. We've been lying awake most of the night really, listening to the wind and rain howling away outside. We've woken up to find out that there's a power cut and Adam's just been called to the fire station. So I'm going to drop him off in case hello Adam, it's pitch black so I don't think we can see you. I'm going to drop Adam off just in case he gets deployed and I lose the car for 18 hours, which happened during the fires. Well, as you can see, it's 12:15. It's Sunday the 22nd of January. I took Adam down to the fire station just after 9 and him and his crew are out and about picking up fallen trees and I believe chopping up trees. I did see them. I was driving around in the truck to charge up my phone because we've got no power here, so I've been driving around, came to a couple of blocked roads and I saw the fire truck going out to another incident, so hopefully they'll restore power soon. I'm trying to conserve battery power, but I have got my iPad mini just playing a little playlist to keep me amused, keep some sound in. Got the log burner keeping me warm and I'm absolutely starving. I think there's something about these kind of don't know what to do with yourself moments where all you can think about is food.
And the latest disaster to hit Javier is a tropical storm for the last few days. Torrential rain, extremely strong winds, and we're here today doing some clearing up, trying to clear all the main roads with our chainsaw. So, as usual, it's absolute chaos, and the local authority have just turned up from Denia, but we've done all the work, so they've just come for tea and medals. Right, we're off to the next one. Bye now.
That's Bob Seger singing Against the Wind, my favourite song in the world ever. We haven't got any power, but fortunately we have gas, so I'm cooking on gas, boiling a pan to make myself a coffee, They say when you have a power cut that you shouldn't open the fridge too many times. And I know there's some really nice things in there, but I'm going to try and avoid opening it too many times. I'm sure there's got to be something in here that I can eat. Chocolate. I think my iPad's taking the mickey. First of all, it was playing Against the Wind, and now it's playing Purple Rain. I love them both, but it is pouring with rain and blowing a gale here, so I think I need something a little bit more inspirational. 7 o'clock on Sunday evening. We still have no power. We now seem to have a problem in that we think we've got a chimney fire. The log burner was making a horrendous roaring noise. Adam's gone outside. The garden smells and it's absolutely full of smoke. There's not much to do when it's pitch black. We're not equipped for it. Candles everywhere. Adam playing with the candle and a little, oh darling, a little wick party. You are? I'm trying an experiment to see if I can cook a salmon on top of the log burner. You can't see it, but then it's not just on its own, it is wrapped in foil and in a pan. This is our poached salmon.
A very
beans
traumatic
and
incident.
potato stuff, cooked
Literally.
by torchlight and candlelight.
And Catherine.
Well, it was a bit of a joint effort, wasn't it? Hopefully this is the last meal we cook, serve and eat in the dark. There is an EV Droller engineer out and about. I've had a little word with him and his friend should be coming within the hour. Let's just see. I'm not even going to show you what I look like because the grate I washed.
I've had a wash.
I had a wash in the sink. I'm just using baby wipes and my hair looks atrocious. So I'll just show you my dinner again instead. Now, we've now had at least 50 hours without power, so we're driving around looking for an EV Droller engineer. We made several attempts at phone calls and emails. We're now down at Grenadale Bay, and the weather has caused havoc here as well. Good job you didn't leave your car in that car park every winter. And come back to discover it's floated away to sea. Just gone 4 on Tuesday afternoon, and we haven't had power now since Sunday morning at 7:30. But Adam's just noticed that we can hear engineers in the back garden, as it were. I've just washed my hair in the sink. I don't know if I'm filming myself or not, with fetching towel on. Pans of water from the stove and the log burner. Hope it's alright. I've probably still got loads of conditioner in my ears. There's a man in the tree there, just that you can see.
I
And
can't.
his, Adam can't see him, his EV Droller colleagues, who've just told me that it will be 15 minutos till the power's back on, which means 15 minutes.
Yeah,
Yay!
right. Believe that when I see
Yeah,
it.
me too.
Have you seen my hair?
Mine's
It's brittle.
yours is made of cardboard, but at least you had a
It's
wash.
brittle. It's gone past
Yeah,
cardboard.
I know, but at least you had a wash last night.
It's plaster of Paris now. What?
It'll just snap off, yeah.
All right, let's go home.
This car must hum. Anyway, yes, we'll treat ourselves to a shower later. I fell over. We were so excited about the power being returned that we forgot to carry on filming. So I'm just going to show you my EV Droller notebook, which has a little, can't open it, has my shopping list in. And I learned some new words. Adam, who is filming,
Hello.
can I, before I fall over completely, can I ask you? Oh,
Yes.
hello, Adam. Can I ask you to just tell us the current position with regard to the weather in Spain, please, in this particular area?
It's a bit windy.
Okay, we can see that, and you can't
It
even hear.
might be. We're on yellow alert, which means there might be some trees down again this weekend, but I don't think so.
We've said that sort of thing.
They get overcautious now because of the fires and floods and stuff.
Okay.
Okay, can I get on with the
Hopefully
gardening?
That doesn't happen. Adam's
Can I get on with the gardening?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
darling.